In a world filled with distractions, nature offers a sanctuary of peace. Imagine stepping outside, feeling the fresh air, and letting the beauty of the natural world envelop you. Let's explore how a mindful walk can transform everyday moments into profound experiences. Picture this. A monk once shared a story that beautifully illustrates the power of observation. One day he paused during his walk to admire a leaf. At first glance, it was just green. But as he focused, that single shade of green revealed itself as 10 distinct shades. Each moment of contemplation unveiled even more greens, each one unique and vibrant. The monk realized that true beauty lies in the details, and often what seems ordinary is anything but. As viewers embark on their own mindful walks, they are encouraged to engage their senses fully. Feel the texture of the bark on trees, listen to the rustle of leaves, and breathe in the earthy scents surrounding them. Each step becomes an opportunity to connect with nature and discover the hidden wonders that often go unnoticed. Walking mindfully means slowing down, allowing the mind to quiet and the heart to open. It's about being present in the moment, appreciating the intricate dance of light and shadow, and noticing how the wind gently caresses the grass. Nature has a way of grounding us, reminding us to pause and reflect. The next time a walk is taken, try to notice the colors in the landscape. Just like the monk's leaf, a flower petal may reveal layers of hues, or a sunset may explode in a symphony of oranges and purples. Each moment spent in nature is a chance to deepen the connection with the world. Mindfulness in nature isn't just about seeing, it's about feeling and experiencing. It's about allowing the mind to wander while staying rooted in the present. As the sounds of chirping birds fill the air, let them guide thoughts away from worries and into the serenity of the moment. This mindful walk is an invitation to explore the beauty that surrounds. It's a reminder that nature holds countless treasures waiting to be discovered. So, take a deep breath, step outside, and let the journey unfold. In the end, the lesson from the monk resonates. One thinks they know what something looks like until they truly look at it. Nature invites everyone to see beyond the surface and embrace the richness of life. With each mindful step, tranquility and appreciation for the world deepen, creating a lasting sense of peace. So, lace up those shoes, step into the great outdoors, and let nature's peace wash over. Each walk is a new adventure, a chance to reconnect with the beauty of existence.